Good morning, guys. So today we're going to Linstead, and I just decided to do a little get ready with me in the beginning. So I've already made my bed, woke up a while ago, and now I'm looking some clothes. We're gonna find that. Yeah. So this is like my going out bag, kind of. Yeah. So it's kind of tidy now. I got through where I'm stuck the other day, and I haven't fixed it, so ignore. But I need to find clothes to go out today. Sean, what you wearing? Are you wearing jeans? Works indeed. Nice. And I'm thinking like this blouse, a black blouse, and probably like find a shoes or something. Sean, come here. You can now wear a similar color like you, or thinking of something similar. Hi guys, so clothes is ready, and I'm gonna figure out shoes and jewelry in a sec. I'm gonna fix up this bag and then go look those. Alright guys, so I wanted to wear that shoes, but it's not gonna work out, so I'm gonna just wear my Crocs along with that socks. And oh yes, I need to get some more of these Croc thingies because I'm feeling them drip off. This is the reason I can't wear my boots. Like, I need to get a glue for it and all, so that can't be worn like right now. So that's that for now, and I'm gonna look jewelry and then we'll be done. Jewelry. Now what do we... Oh yes guys, I forgot to show you guys, I bought myself some bracelets, so you know your girl gonna wear some today. So I bought this one. I think this one was like $700 or so. Bought them in Maypen. I bought this one. I think it was about the same or a little less. I think it was about $500 or $700. Hi. I also bought this anklet. She's so annoying. Go away. Go away, Shay. Go away. Yeah, so this little anklet. I'm not gonna be wearing that today though. I'm sending something to it. No, but just saying too. Alright, so this is the most comfortable choker I have. I want to wear that, and I feel like I want to wear this one here. Come on, get. Alright, so I feel like I want to wear this. Which one of the bracelets do I want to wear? This one. I think I want to try this one. That one. So this one is there. And I also want to wear the other one I have. So I also have this one. This was actually a anklet that I bought that couldn't fit, so I turned it into a bracelet. So I need to find the other black one, the other black bracelet that looks like that. And I don't know, no. And this. So yeah, that's this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be combing my hair, and I'm combing my hair before today. Normally don't do that, trying to get into it, but like my back, I have some issues with my back, and I was told that it's best if I comb my hair first before I bathe, so that it can like wash off the things that fall on my back. But it's not always the best, because it will pull out.
Somebody left me their charger fast or they're dead.
Huh? She's kicking me out. She's killing me. Anyways, oh yes, and my bag. I need to show you guys my bag as usual. So the bag I'm gonna carry again. I've been loving this bag. I need to take out some stuff from it because I had a lot of stuff in it because we went to Maple the other day. So I need to get those things out. I also need to find myself a mask. So yeah. Okay guys, bag is ready. Now part of my getting ready is combing this idiot.
Not every day.
Not every day, but today is a part of it.
It's your fault you didn't came early.
Me. Okay guys, this is the hair right now. I'm just gonna when I'm ready I'm just gonna put this on. So yeah, that is that. Okay, so this is how the thing looks. I think I want a belt, but I don't have any black belts, so that's matter. Anyways, I'm gonna put on my socks and put on my jewelry and all of those things. Guys, so this is it. This is it. Don't catch my sister. Hey. Ooh. But anyways, this is the fit. Still want a belt, but that is fine. That's fine. That's fine.